Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I'm looking at two products from Flaskap. They combine to make one super product, but this can work on its own, this not so much. So what we've got here is the Volt 30. So this is just a stainless steel tumbler or cup. It's leak-proof, sweat-proof, it's very grippy. It is stainless steel, so it's BPA free, but you cannot put it in a dishwasher, so it's got to be hand washed. So how it is leak proof, you have to unscrew it to flip up. Also the lid also has threads and a seal, so it's got to be seated. Looking inside, you may be able to see, but there is an actual fill line, so it's about an inch from the top. So 30 ounces, and it also fits, it's designed to fit into your cup holders. So it is a cup by day and a tumbler by night. So if you take the standard lid off when you're ready to party, you can add the Madic 9. So opening this up, this thing holds 9 shots. So you open it up here at the top. We don't need that for now. So you open it up, fill it with 9 shots. That is also the button you press. So you press it and you can see that it activates down there. Each press adds half a shot into this. So they twist in, they're designed to go together. So push, half a shot. So 9 shots total in here. So this thing is going to be great if you are doing any sort of partying, if you're on a boat, if you are doing a sporting event that allows it. So anything that you can think of that allows you to bring your own alcohol, this is a great system. So you can have your own mixer and drink together, and you can control how they mix, how frequently, and what you're looking at. So very cool product together. I'm excited to use this. Definitely going to be using this at more outdoor events. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.